nine, eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, one.
Yes, welcome to Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. And today's topic will be Solved Online legislation updates for business solutions and justices of the Peace Act 1361 summary. Yeah, it will be a 15-minute show. Yeah, also we have dictionary, which is to show the root meaning, word in law for business solution. Yeah, again, Solved Online YouTube platform is the report on business solution through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. The motto Sold Online knows that there is no business like the king's business. Yeah, there will be giveaways, like I say, future online books, articles, gift card, and the bet is still on. So if don't know about the bet, go to the videos before just to find out. Again, we provide solution discoveries, document proof, shows demonstration, direction, instruction, accuracy, correction. Like I say, yeah, let's get to that. Again, 1,000 subscribers to start an online tutorial, webinar, seminar to be able to teach everyone how to research like a barrister, solicitor, lawyer, so that they could get the best, again, solutions and protection in their life. Yeah, so it's a big program, and again, yeah, we're gonna be able to get everything up and running. Like I said, I don't like when some people call me in the middle of my show. Yeah, so I was supposed to give him a shout, but it is. Yeah, so we're going live, and you know, like again, if everything is good and everything is live, so we must be
up to the time.
Yes, up to the time. Yeah, so when we're up to the time, we just have to, you know,
Good to go.
yeah, good to go. So again, Monday, so I got a comment, Grand Monday, sold online solutions back for more knowledge. Yes, again, that's definite. That is definite. So now, let me just run something in the back for the moment. Yeah, I'll get to you after the show is done. Just give me a moment. Yeah, so we got everyone that's on the actual WhatsApp. So let me just send out some more links. Like I say, first of all, we're gonna get straight into again legislation.gov.uk, the number one place to get all updates for life, business, everything parliamentary business. This is the place to be, and parliament business is your life business. So yeah, as you can see, legislation.gov.uk, and this is great, teaching everyone about the king's law, the word of the king, and the number one place to go for that, legislation.gov.uk. So yeah, just before I go and continue, let me just share the link out to some more groups that I wish to share out to. Very important, like always gonna be, exciting topics, things that you don't come across every day, always new. Like I say, nothing to be distracted about, something to be again, to pay attention. Yeah, it's for you to be attention to, because this is what's going on. Yeah, so you have to put your attention in the right place, and if your attention is not in the right place, then again you will be losing. Like I said, I'm just doing my work, public work, so at least you'll be able to know that there is a way there is a solution, and again, the solution is, well, it's not popping up the way I want it to pop up. Yeah, so the solution is, solved online business solution for, again, your need, your actual, solutions, your life solution. So I don't know why it's not coming out. Yeah, so your life solutions. Yeah, so I'm just gonna post it like this. Yeah, life solutions. Now let's get into it. Again, we're gonna go straight into it. So now let make everything connect. Yeah, so like now, like I say, legislation.gov.uk, you go to the main home page and you go down legislation published recently, and you can see UK Statutory Instruments 5. Then we click into it, and again, you have it there today. It says today, and it goes United Kingdom. That means it covers everything. And the first one in is the Investigatory Powers Act 2016, Commencement number 12, Regulation 2020. Then we also have the Enterprise Act 2002, Turnover Test Amendment Order 2020. And then you also have the Direct Payment Ceilings Regulations 2020. And also we have the Criminal Procedure Rules 2020. And we also have the Family Procedure Rules Amendment number 2, Rules 2020. So that's it for the actual rules when it comes to, legislations and updates. So I don't know, everything is again
Up to the time.
yeah, so you don't know everything.
Connect.
Yeah, once it connect, you're gonna know that.
Clear.
All
Good
right,
to go.
and it's good to go. Yes, so let's go now. And one moment, just let me do something for. Yeah, so that's it. So now we're gonna go straight into the act, because you don't know it's time to get into the actual topic of the day, which is justices of the peace. And so we need to know about what's going on, because you're really gonna have to. Yeah, so hear this. Let's go and let's do this again. Justice of the peace, and type it in. So we're gonna go into the most oldest one. So look, so we have oldest one, but we have the oldest one, Justice of the Peace Act 1361. And like I say, that's in the time of the Crusaders, the War of Jerusalem. So again, that's again the word of the king, them times, the Holy Land. So the business was the king's business. War was the highest form of, again, showing, your righteousness to the creator, because again, God is the judge when it comes to war. So wherever you win in war, God judge it. You know what I'm saying? So this is how it was working back in those times. So as you can see, shows you justices of the peace, and it shows you a statue made in the Parliament held at Westminster in the 34th year. So as you see, so as you can see, that's it. So it's showing it, like I say, it's a summary, but I'm just gonna read the small parts. Like I say, so these be the things which our Lord the King, the prelates, lords, and the common have ordained in this present Parliament held at Westminster the Sunday next before the feast of the Conversion of St. Paul, to be held and published openly through the realm. So hear what it means, through the realm, meaning through the whole empire. I'm saying through everything. The realm at that time is the whole, because like I say, at a time, you have the the kingdom of Judah, the kingdom of Israel, and again, then you have the whole breakdown, Ottoman Empire, and all these things. So it spreads out into the realm, the Roman Empire. So the whole of that realm, which has changed up and down, is the whole realm. So the whole Christendom realm. That is what it's talking about. Yeah. So it's just letting you know the realm. So it's published openly. So it shows you that in every part they're publishing, and this is what, like, again, it shows you, just reading who shall be justices of the peace, their jurisdiction over offenders, rioters, barrators, they may take surety for good behavior. So it's talking about, like I say, like you have counties in England, just like I show you in the Windrush generation, and I show you about the Windrush episode that I went through, counties, and like I say, there's gonna be a come up show you that all the counties are not divided. So it's talking about the Kingdom of England right here. It shows you that there's gonna be a justice appointed in every county, just to keeping of the peace, just keeping the peace, because meaning, the Lord, and again, and it's showing you basically keeping all of the customs, making sure no one don't really trespass and don't really do anything, just like what's been happening now, where the Windrush generation, they're being trespassed upon by not being able to get their right within the kingdom. So whoever that's within the offices, they have trespassed their right. So these are the things that they're talking about. Published according to the law and custom of the realm. So like I say, the law and custom of the realm is, again, the British Empire. That's what they're talking. And obviously it's just to show you, keep going, like to make sure that everyone, keep peace, and like make sure whoever's passing through the King's Highway or the highways of the realm, they make sure they don't cause too much trouble. And look, it shows you also that where they shall be found sufficient surety and main pride of their good behavior towards the king and his people, and the other duty to punish. So it's showing you, like I say, whoever that is not, behaving, or not really treating the king's people properly, they're supposed to be imprisoned. You go to the justice of the peace, and they're the one that really keep the peace of the realm. So, like, for instance, you have the Windrush generation, they're going through their situation. So whoever that's from, like I say, the parish, the counties, and facing difficulties, they're supposed to go to the justice of the peace, because they all owe the key to the realm. Yeah, so this is very important. Like I say, I'm just doing my public duty, making sure I represent the king, informing the king people on the direction. So, at least you know where to go. Solved online. Just giving you the information that, again, is very important to the future generation. Just preserving, right of king's passage, the highway of the realm. Just to know. Yeah, so let me just go. Just to know. So moreover, we're just gonna, so that's really what it is. That's really what it is. Just to make sure that, again, the king's peace is being upheld. So that's why there's justice of the peace, so that no one doesn't breach the kingdom. So that's what it is. So we're gonna, like I say, cut this, then good, coming up to the end. So we're gonna go over, make sure that everything is, what I'm saying, everything must be, okay.
Clear!
Yes, and I make sure that
Thunder!
yeah. So we don't know because we have to send up a fire. Yeah, we have to burn up a fire because we need it. You know what I'm saying? We need to clear the King's Highway. Yes, more fire for everything because right now we have to make sure everything is good. We understand because right now that's the time. Yeah, so we're just gonna play the last. We're gonna do the last episode, and then we're gonna out of here. So we're gonna go to again one of the Black Store Dictionary and it's J. So we're gonna talk about justice and justice of the peace. So first one read justice in the old English practice to do justice, to see justice done, to summon one to do justice. The next one shows you, so let me just make it a bit bigger so everyone can see. So again, as you can see it there. And the next one is, again, in common law, the title given in England to the judge of the King's Bench and the common plea, and in America to the judges of the Supreme Court of the United States and of the appellate courts of any of the states. So it shows you, yes, it shows you there. And I'm gonna give you some more. Let's go read all the way down, and then we're gonna go. Let me just show you. So okay, then there's justice of the peace. So let's read through that. Then go justice of the peace here, and it shows you in American law, a judicial officer of inferior rank having usual civil jurisdiction limited to that prescribed by state in civil case and in criminal proceedings, prosecutions, and commitment of offenders. See, then it shows you the case studies, and also it shows you in English law, judges of record appointed by the Crown to be justices within a current district, shows you a county or borough, for the conservation of the peace, see it there, and for the execution of derived things. Is it comprehending within their commission and within derived state statutes committed to their charge. So as you can see, that's how it goes. And yeah, as you can see, that's what it is. So as you know, there's a lot of meaning of justices, but that's what the Black Store Dictionary states. And well, that's it. There you have it. You have it, and you're supposed to. Yeah, like what Chris Rock says.
And you know this. And you know man.
Yeah. Yeah, so you don't know, cause you don't know.
Up to the time.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Make everything
Clear.
Yeah, so you don't know. We have to make everything clear. We just have to make everything clear. So now, after we make everything clear, we have to make sure that.
Hey, yo, poor people, I've seen no improvement over the years from these guys and their movement.
Yeah, so that's why we're doing this to make sure that we have some improvement. Yeah, so again, Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. Again, today's topic, Solved Online legislation update for business solution and Justices of the Peace Act 1361 summary. Yeah. Again, Solved Online YouTube platform is to report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. And the motto, Solved Online knows that there is no business like the King's business. give thanks and praise and appreciation and meet us on to the next episode. Yeah, I appreciate everything. Peace.